Hey guys, so today I will be unboxing Kylin V2M, Yuxin kylin V2M. So let's unbox it. Yeah, so I've unboxed this after a lot of effort. So here is the cube. Cardboard, blah blah blah, bell. Oh wow, a stand. And a coupon that I will not show. So let's open this, and I have a pamphlet here. Everything is written in Chinese, so it's very sandy. I guess you can hear it. Not feeling the magnets at all. Corner cutting, 45 degree, does it with a lot of effort. Yeah, the magnets are felt now, like that. But if I turn fast, the magnets are absolutely not felt. Wow. So the sandy feeling, I like it very much. I don't know about you, but I definitely like the sandy feeling. I've heard that this will get a lot slow after some solves, so I'll do some solves. And before that, let's see the piece separation. I guess you will not be able to see it. It's very tight, so I don't want to mess the cube up. So it's very fast right now out of the box. Corner cutting is good. Reverse corner cutting is also great, but it takes a lot of effort for doing 45 degree because it's very tight right now. So the magnets are definitely felt when you do slow solves. And when I do like this, the magnets are felt. It happens like that. So I'm really liking this cube. So I'll be comparing it with the Yuxin little Magic M after it arrives. So it's a very great cube, so I'll do one solve on this. Let me shuffle it. Yeah, so I've done it. So I'm not getting any lockups till now. (22). So if I do like that, it's very effortless turn, so I'm not able to control it right now, but it doesn't suit my turning style. So after some solves, I guess I'll be able to deal with it. And these pieces are actually tiles, so there's no stickers. There are tiles. So let's see what's here. Yeah, so there are screws and you can see some dots here. I don't know what they are. Oh, it fits in very smoothly due to that. So the magnets are not really felt when you do speed solving. So the video is getting too long. I don't know why. Maybe I want to hit that 10-minute mark, or maybe just the cube is too nice. So I don't know how to do a review of a cube. Piece separation done, corner cutting done, solves are done. So yeah, final thoughts. That's what is left. So a cube has a sandy feeling, which turns into a buttery feeling. Sorry, it turns into a buttery feeling after some solves. So it was sandy, but now it's very smooth. And the cube is very fast, but it will get slow after some 100 solves. And the magnets are very less strong, so I don't really feel the magnets while turning like that, but when I do like this, it is definitely felt. And the corner cutting 45 degree, it struggles with 45-degree corner cutting because it's tight, I guess. And reverse corner cutting 30 degree, I guess, I don't know. And it's really stable. It doesn't catch up a lot unless you don't know how to turn, like me. So before I end this video, I want to give my thoughts on this cube. The Yuxin kylin V2 is very stable and the magnets play a huge role in this. So you should definitely buy Kylin V2M or the Little Magic M if you want that. The feel of this cube is very good and it's very smooth. After some breaking in and lubrication, I have done quite a lot of solves, several hundreds of solves, and it is performing very well. It doesn't get slow as I have heard from other cubers, so it is very good cube. So it doesn't get slow for me. I don't know about others, so I recommend this cube. It is a very good budget cube, so you should definitely buy it, or instead you could go for another option, which is Little Magic M. And I'm going to bring a new video on comparison of Little Magic M and Yuxin kylin V2. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if I get 30 likes, I'm going to do a review, a comparison on Little Magic versus Yuxin, Little Magic M versus Kylin V2M. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Bye, guys.